Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's beginner friendly tutorial, I'm going to show you how to send money using MoneyGram in 2026, step by step, whether you're sending locally or internationally. By the end, you will know exactly how to send money quickly, safely, and without confusion. Let's get started. Step 1, choose how you want to send money. MoneyGram offers 3 ways: online, in-person, mobile app, right? So the online is you just visit the website or mobile app and you pay with a card or a bank. In person, you visit a MoneyGram agent location and just walk through the process. Mobile app, you can send directly from your phone. Beginners should start with online or app, right? So whether you're using online or app, you gotta go ahead and sign up if you're new. But if you already have an account, you could just go ahead and sign in using your account. Enter name, email, phone number, right? Use correct details. They must match your ID, right? So next, all you gotta do is enter that transfer details. So let me recover here my Gmail, right? In order just to show you the process. Sorry for that. I haven't been inside like forever, really. Sorry. Let me go here. MoneyGram, yeah. And paste the code, and I'm gonna enter the password. Right. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just enter the email again and log in using your email. And I'm gonna get the security code. Again, gonna wait for MoneyGram to send you a mail. Security code, right, good. Right, and now I'm inside. Now, all you gotta do now is just enter the transfer details, okay? So, I'm gonna hit send money, right? Hold on for a second. Hit send money here, right? And select the destination country, right? Send amount, let's say 6,500, and the receiver country should be United States. States, Alaska. And gonna of course estimate the fees, right? Gonna hit estimate fees, and this is of course the fees, right? And of course now you're gonna select how would you pay: online bank transfer, debit card, credit card, and how they receive it: directly to a bank account, cash pickup, or cash pickup at Walmart. You can just select the first option, direct to a bank account, and enter a coupon code if available, right? And you're gonna continue. Fees and speed depend on this choice. So now all you gotta do is add the receiver information. Enter recipient details: full name, middle name, or first name, middle name, last name, second last name if available, the routing number, account number, and the account type, checking or savings. Double check spelling. Mistakes can delay transfer. And once you choose the payment method, as we already did in the first step, you can pay debit, credit card, bank transfer, cash, if in person. Card is fastest, bank cheaper. And now all you gotta do is just review fees and exchange rate. Before sending, check transfer fee, check exchange rate. Always review total cost and confirm and send. Lastly, right? Now your transfer is now processed. Now get the reference number. After sending, you will receive a reference number or MTCN. Send this to the receiver, right? Now, depending on the method, if it's cash pickup, go to MoneyGram location if you're a receiver, show ID and provide the MTCN. If you're sending it to a bank account as a bank deposit, money goes directly to a bank. Cash pickup is usually instant, right? Using just an ID, right? Or a number. And lastly, track your transfer. You can use MoneyGram entering your transfer, right? By hitting track and receive, right? Enter the MTCN, right? And your last name. You will know when it's completed, right? So add cash if you want to know the transfer speed, so you can decide what way you want to send money. Cash pickup, they're gonna receive it in a matter of minutes. Bank transfer takes 1 to 3 days. Mobile wallet, often instant. So fees, which is really important, depend on amount, country, and payment method. Always compare before sending. So double check receiver details. Never share MTCN publicly. Use official channels only. Keep receipt. So avoid wrong receiver name, not check-in fees, sending to the wrong country, losing MTCN, or using unofficial agents. Avoid these mistakes. Okay, so just to rewind, open MoneyGram, enter details, add receiver, pay, and share the MTCN with the receiver. Done. So sending money with MoneyGram in 2026 especially is fast and reliable if you follow the correct steps. Whether you're sending to a family or business, it's one of the easiest ways to transfer money globally. Focus on accuracy, security, checking fees. That's how you send money without issues. Consider liking this video, subscribe, and it really helps. Share with a friend, and we'll see you in the next one.